Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. There's a lot of new items here at Harbor Freight. It's been a while since we haven't done a shopping at Harbor Freight, so just decided to do that today and get some of these items covered. As you can see, we got some of the new tools from Hercules. Pretty much 12 volts and the new redesigned 20 volt Hercules. So those are definitely great tools to have, especially if you're on the Hercules and Bauer lineup already. You know, why not just add a few more tools to the... That is a blower, the new blower, the inflator. And we got the new 3/8 impact driver from Bauer. And that's another Hercules section there. You got the reciprocating saw, the 12 volts and the 20 volts. And you got the shop blower right there too. As you can see, definitely some great tools from Hercules. I gotta say, I love my tools. I beat those up, you know, drilled over concrete, metal, all kinds of stuff. And we got the new toys. This is the Black Friday sale, I guess. We got the new drones. If you guys like to pilot drones or fly drones, definitely a great item to have for yourself, or if you want to give it to your son, your grandson, whoever you want to give that toy. That's a great toy to give them. Same thing with this car. You can pretty much paint it and put it any type of design that you want. And then you got that truck with the small cars on the back. Then you got that speedboat. Remote control speedboat. If you have a pool, you can put that boat to good use. And then you got some vehicles, some off-road vehicles, some amphibious vehicles here. They're not $9.99. They're $19.99, I believe. I believe you can get these with the coupon. I believe they're not excluded, so you can pretty much apply the coupon, the 20% off coupon, to any of these toys. But they are $19.99 to as a regular price. And then we're here at the icon section. I gotta say, this is the first time where I see ratchets on the shelves. Every time a ratchet hits the shelf, it is gone. Usually, like I said, this is the first time I actually see a ratchet in stock at Harbor Freight, at any of my Harbor Freights, because I do have a few stores that are around my city, and I always go around all the stores. If I'm near one, I'll stop by and pick something up if I need it. But yeah, definitely haven't seen any of those in stock as in just today, basically. And I gotta say, if you're doing DIY projects, if you're working on your brake jobs or your oil changes at home, these are not bad. I mean, these will do the work. Definitely any of these, Quinn, Pittsburgh Pro, Pittsburgh, even these ratchets are great. Definitely recommend these ratchets. I gotta say, I do have some Pittsburgh Pro ratchets. I love them too. So, and then again, I don't do mechanic work all day, every day, but I do every other weekend. You know, I do some work. Definitely recommend this impact wrenches or impact sockets. Those impact sockets are great. On mine, I still haven't, you know, broken one yet. And I put a lot. I do a lot of suspension work and brake jobs and stuff like that. And same thing with those ratchet wrenches. Definitely recommend those ratchet wrenches for you guys for the DIY. Of course, Icon's gonna be your better brand, your professional level. So if you're a professional, if you're heavier DIY, if you hardcore DIY mechanic, you know, like to beef up your engines, pretty much those Icon is the way you should go. I'm here going here to the car wash section, because you know there's a lot of good things you can pick up here at the car wash at Harbor Freight. There's a lot of brushes. There's a lot of compounds, polishing compounds, car wash sponges you can pick up. with microfiber. There's a lot of great stuff like that. That's for rims and for tires. So that's definitely an item to get. I just didn't pick it up this time because I was there for something else. But I'll probably get that next time. But yeah, there's a lot of brushes. There's a lot of microfiber towels, drying towels. You guys haven't seen them. Those are detailing towels. Supposedly not, to not scratch your paint and to be delicate on your paint, picking up all the water. And so definitely a great item to have. And then of course you got the smaller microfiber towel packages right there to the right. Yeah, that thing feels real good. The drying towel. And then you got some air horns and electrical horns there. Some towels. Those towels are great, especially if you're doing like mechanic work and stuff like that. Definitely great towels if you want to clean something up real quick and throw the rag away. If you want to rewash it, you can rewash it. Yeah, those are definitely great lights there. I do have some at home. I do have the older versions of those. Still have to make a video of those. So definitely recommend all those lights for you guys. And that is a new creeper. There's the tool creeper. You can pretty much store all the tools. If you're under a vehicle, you know how you lose, all kinds of screws, nuts, bolts, sockets, everything. With that, all you do is just throw it in there and you pretty much, you're all set. You're not going to be losing anything. And yeah, they do sell oil. It's 15W40. So I was really surprised to see that. I don't know what kind of vehicles would take that, but still I was surprised to see Shell oil in this Harbor Freight. Those are the Maddox tools. Now this is pretty much the new item section. It says look for hundreds of new items store wide. Yeah, they do have a lot of new items. Not all of them are here. Just half of them, or less than half. But yeah, that's the new light from Harbor Freight. That's the new tape measure, the new Toyo screwdrivers. The Quinn screwdrivers, that's a new set right there. That's a new Quinn socket set right there too. And these are storage bins. Definitely great little bins to put all your screws, nuts, bolts. Pretty much all your equipment that's really small. Your bits. And it does have a nice window there at the front. Nice clear window so you guys could see what's inside. And you're not going through pretty much all the storage containers at once, And yeah, those Bauer vacuums, I heard nothing but good things about them. I haven't tried one myself. Maybe I need to buy one and try it out. But yeah, I haven't tried one myself. I do own a Rigid, but I'm always open for new products from Harbor Freight. Definitely a great value there. And yeah, these are great for the DIY home use. Especially this Greenwood 1.5 gallon spray or 1.2 gallon sprayer. And that 0.5 gallon spray, I gotta try it out. But yeah, I do have the green one. The middle one there. And yeah, Harbor Freight does sell garden hoses and all that. And the reason why I was here is because I was looking at the quick release fittings. Because I needed some for my hose at home. Because I do have a pressure washer. And what I want to do is it just takes a long time to connect the hose to the pressure washer. So I'm going to give these a try. I will be making a video. I don't know if I'm going to release the video this week or next week on Tuesdays. So stay tuned for 2 Review Tuesdays for those fittings. But they look okay. I mean, machine-wise, clean-wise, they look pretty good from the packaging point of view. Yeah, they do have all kinds of... I tried that nozzle, the spray nozzle. It works real good. I do have it. So, that thing sits in the sun every day, all day. Works real good. There's a lot of good smaller things you could get. I saw that flashlight on. So I was trying to turn it off. And apparently I couldn't turn it off. There's no switch on it. Apparently all you have to do is just, tuck it in. It should turn off. But it just wouldn't turn off. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. And like I said, stay tuned for tool review Tuesdays. And for more Black Friday deals, I will have more Black Friday deals out. Tool Black Friday deals. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.